Welcome to Chain Train, the podcast that takes you on a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency. In today's episode, we'll be covering some of the latest developments in the crypto market. From Bitcoin's price dip to rising concerns over scams, regulatory challenges, and even new crypto-friendly innovations, we'll look at the current state of the industry and what the future might hold. Stay tuned as we explore both the opportunities and risks that come with digital assets. Bitcoin continued its decline, falling 2.2% to $94,357 with an intraday low of $92,525 amid stronger than expected US economic data that dampened hopes for multiple Federal Reserve rate cuts in 2025. Resilient job growth and increased treasury yields, now at 4.68%, pressured Bitcoin prices alongside a strengthening dollar index above 109. Experts noted bearish market sentiment but highlighted robust liquidity inflows driven by stablecoins. Other major altcoins including Cardano (-6%), Avalanche (4.4%), and Dogecoin (3.33%) also saw declines, while XRP and SUI gained up to 2%. Bitcoin's market cap fell to $1.87 trillion with its dominance at 56.4%. Analysts predict support levels at $92,000 and $90,000, suggesting potential consolidation or further correction toward $71,500. The global crypto market cap dropped 1.73% to $3.31 trillion, with stablecoins comprising 92.52% of the 24-hour market volume, which surged 2.7% to $64.1 billion. A 51-year-old woman in Admiralty suspected she was scammed after investing HK $2 million in cryptocurrency through an online contact she met on WeChat. Concerns arose when she couldn't reach the individual and was informed by a cryptocurrency exchange employee that they were unfamiliar with the app she used. Believing she had been defrauded, she contacted the police. However, the issue was resolved when communication with the contact resumed, allowing her to withdraw her cash. The woman confirmed no scam occurred and police assistance was not required. The Delhi High Court has sought responses from the central government RBI and SEBI to a plea by 16 BitBNS users demanding regulation of cryptocurrency and a probe into a financial crisis at the exchange. The petition alleges BitBNS concealed a February 2022 cyber attack under system maintenance, froze user withdrawals, and mishandled funds, causing financial and emotional harm. The plea seeks a comprehensive cryptocurrency regulatory framework, a CBI or SIT investigation, release of user funds, and compensation for affected users. The case will be heard next on April 4th. James Howells, a Bitcoin miner who accidentally discarded a hard drive containing Bitcoin he mined in 2009, had his £600 million recovery claim dismissed by a court. Howells claimed to have pinpointed the hard drive's location in a Newport landfill, but was denied excavation due to environmental laws and the council's claim of ownership over discarded waste. He had offered the council a share of the proceeds and promised 10% to the local community. The court ruled the case had no realistic prospect of success. Howells expressed frustration, calling the decision a denial of justice and a blow to his 12-year effort. 3 Chinese nationals filed complaints with Bangkok police after losing 13 million baht in a cryptocurrency exchange scam. In the first incident, Huang Guang was swindled of 5 million baht by a group of 3 Chinese individuals while attempting to exchange cash for cryptocurrency in the Huai Kuang district. The suspects fled in a Toyota Alphard, but police later traced the vehicle to a house in Sathon, where they found 5 million baht in cash. Simultaneously, 2 other Chinese men were robbed of 8 million baht by a group of 4 individuals in a similar scam at the G Tower building. The victims claimed that the cryptocurrency promised in exchange for the cash had not been transferred, leading them to report the incident to the police. Authorities are investigating the cases further. A man from Guelph, Ontario lost $188,000 in a cryptocurrency scam after being deceived by someone posing as a childhood friend from China. The scam began in July when the victim connected with the fraudster in an online chat forum. By September, their discussions moved to private chats, and the fraudster persuaded the victim to invest in cryptocurrency. From mid September to November, the victim transferred $188,000, believing it was for crypto investments. The scam unraveled when the fraudster demanded an additional 30% verification fee. Guelph police, citing the fraudster's overseas location, said recovery of the funds is unlikely and warned the public to be vigilant against evolving scams. Police urge people to question online interactions involving crypto to avoid falling prey to such schemes. The incident highlights the growing need for awareness of cryptocurrency scams. Pegmatite One, a company focused on lithium and gold exploration, is diversifying its financial strategy by investing in cryptocurrencies. This move aims to protect against economic volatility, capitalize on high growth opportunities, and stay in line with industry trends. Pegmatite One plans to work with financial and crypto experts to research promising digital assets and monitor market developments. The company's goal is to enhance its long-term value and innovation through strategic financial initiatives, reflecting its commitment to growth and diversification. Outgoing CFTC Chair Rostin Behnam, speaking at the Brookings Institution on January 8, 2025, emphasized the need for stronger cryptocurrency regulation. Behnam, stepping down on February 7th after serving since 2022, warned of risks as digital assets integrate with traditional finance without proper oversight. He urged the CFTC to address regulatory gaps and highlighted the complexity of evolving financial structures that blend traditional and novel products. Behnam estimated that crypto legislation could take 6-10 months to pass, with another year needed for rulemaking, citing political transitions as potential delays. He supported proposed bills by Rep. Patrick McHenry and Sen. Debbie Stabenow, which would place digital commodities under CFTC jurisdiction, despite acknowledging their imperfections. Benham's remarks come amid broader regulatory shifts as SEC Chair Gary Gensler also steps down. Both have criticized the crypto industry's lack of safeguards, pointing to enforcement actions like those against FTX as examples of needed oversight. Scammers stole $2.2 million in cryptocurrency nationwide, targeting victims, including New Yorkers, with fake job offers, per NY Attorney General Letitia James. Fraudsters posed as recruiters, offering remote work opportunities, and convinced victims to buy stable coins and transfer them to scammers' digital wallets. Promises of refunds and commissions lured victims, but their funds were stolen instead. One New Yorker lost over $100K in the scheme. James urged vigilance against unsolicited texts and highlighted efforts to freeze stolen crypto to aid victims. Suspected scams can be reported to her office. Mastercard has expanded its Crypto Credential solution to the UAE and Kazakhstan, marking its debut in the EMEA region. This solution simplifies crypto transactions by allowing users to send and receive cryptocurrencies using simple aliases rather than complex blockchain addresses. It also verifies transactions between consumers and businesses, ensuring recipients' wallets support the transferred assets. Mastercard has partnered with exchanges like Atak Eurasia Interbix and CoinMena to enhance security and trust. The service will roll out to more users in the coming months, with potential for expanded use in NFTs and ticketing. Gary Gensler, the outgoing SEC chair, reflected on his tenure, criticizing the cryptocurrency industry as rife with bad actors. Under his leadership, the SEC initiated over 100 crypto enforcement actions, focusing on ensuring digital assets comply with securities regulations. Gensler maintained that most digital assets qualify as securities, sparking criticism from the crypto industry, which argues that the current framework stifles innovation. With Gensler set to leave, President-elect Trump has nominated Paul Atkins, a more crypto-friendly figure, suggesting potential regulatory changes in the future. That's a wrap for today's episode of Chain Train. We've explored the latest shifts in the crypto market, scams, and regulatory updates that are shaping the future of cryptocurrency. As always, stay informed and cautious when navigating the world of digital assets. Join us next time for more insights, trends, and discussions on cryptocurrency. Until then, Keep your crypto knowledge strong and your investments smart.